Watch this gorilla. He's perfectly balanced on this strap. He's so big. Such a big gorilla. Now he's grabbing the log to make sure he doesn't fall off. He's trying to think about what to do next. I mean, maybe he's just showing off to us, but here he goes. Whoa, he almost fell down there. All right, well, there he is. I walked over here to get a better picture of him. Turns his head to the side again, away from us. He's back.